Hey guys, so today I'm making a sweet chili pepper chicken. So I do have my boneless chicken right here. What I'm gonna go ahead and do, I already cleaned it. It's cleaned. I cleaned it with lemon juice and just a little warm water. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some salt and pepper. And I'm just gonna make sure I have it all over the front and back of the chicken. So once you do clean the chicken, just make sure that it's dried on both sides. So I started heating up my cast iron skillet. You do want that to get hot because we are gonna fry the chicken on both sides. And then we're gonna pop it in the oven. So I already seasoned my chicken with salt and pepper. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of oil. All right, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and place the chicken in my skillet. And make sure the skillet is hot enough. Cooking the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. So it's been about 5 minutes. I'm just gonna go ahead and flip the chicken over. Alright, so it's been about 7 minutes and my chicken is a nice color. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the baking sheet. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cook the rest of my chicken and I'll be back. Alright, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and make our chili sauce for the chicken. So right here I do have Sriracha. Agave. You can use honey, maple syrup, or brown sugar if you like. I have 2 cloves of garlic. Pepper flakes. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So I'm just gonna let this simmer until the sugar is dissolved. Alright, so the chili sauce has been simmering. And you can see that the sugar has dissolved. You can go ahead and taste it to see if it's too hot or too sweet, and you can adjust it to your liking. So I feel like that's perfect. It could be a little too hot sometimes, so if you do feel like it's too hot, just go ahead and add some more maple syrup, brown sugar, or honey, whatever it is that you're using. All right, so I have my chicken here. We're gonna go ahead and coat the chicken in the sauce that we just made, and we're gonna cook the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes, but we're gonna coat it every 5 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. And this is gonna go in the oven on 400 degrees. Alright, so my chicken is all done. So what I went ahead and did when it came out the oven, I just put a little bit more sauce on there, and then I just added a little bit more pepper flakes just to make it look nice. And that's it.
As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also stay tuned for more recipes.